Okay, today I am upgrading to an SSD for my MacBook Pro 2011. With that, I'm going to be installing Mojave if all goes well. If all doesn't go well, then it'll be High Sierra. MacBook Pros have to be Hackintoshed in order to have the latest Mac software after you spend $1,200 on your computer a decade ago. I guess they want me to buy a new computer. Get the cover off without snapping it in half. Ooh. Flip over your Mac. And I'm missing a few screws, so what I did is I bought some screws on Amazon to replace. Should have got some Loctite PH00 Phillips. Maybe I should have watched a tutorial before I did this. Gorgeous, alright. Ah, very nice. Easy enough. Alright, SSD. So, I'm replacing this 1 terabyte hard drive with a 50 gigabyte SSD. So, I'm sacrificing a little space in order to save money. My hope is I will be able to put the terabyte hard drive in place where the optical drive is, since I don't use that anymore. Some people say that's a terrible idea because you never know when you might need a CD, and I would say that is a 5-year-old statement. I've got a couple 2.5-inch mounting screws laying around, well, bouncing around. 2-3 more of these. Pop that in place. Alright, and that's it. That's how you upgrade your hard drive to an SSD. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my optical drive, put in my old hard drive, so I have a terabyte of storage. Maybe we should look up another tutorial. Alright, success. There does not appear to be a tab on that, which means I needed to take this tab off. Alright. Alright. Got the tab switched over from the optical drive to the hard drive. Oh, there's the peel. Weak peel, weak peel. Why do they always put peels on these things? I'm gonna have to take this back out. Alright, cool. Everything's back in. Where's my compressed air? Cool. Everything's in place. Alright. recommend using Loctite on these screws. But I forgot to grab Loctite, so what can you do? I could use this somewhere if I bought like a, you know, something, an enclosure for it, so I'm gonna save that. Put this thing back up. So yeah, you just basically close it up, and now I have to wipe the old hard drive and install the operating system on the SSD. So that's for another